Everybody, the defense rests today in the Shayna Hubers murder trial without calling her to the witness stand.
A psychologist testified the Lexington woman had post-traumatic stress disorder and a number of other mental issues after she shot and killed Ryan Poston in his Highland Heights condo back in October of 2012. Hubers says she shot him in self-defense after they had an argument. But as Local 12's Jeff Hirsch reports live from Newport, it'll soon be up to a jury to decide if that is the truth. Hi, Jeff.
Absolutely. The case will go to the jury tomorrow after closing arguments by the attorneys. And Shayna Hubers did not testify, and the reality is not that much of a surprise. It would have been very, very difficult for her to get up on that witness stand and undergo a cross-examination. So what they have to do, the defense, is try to chip away at the prosecution, also bring their own witnesses. Shayna Hubers, as you said, is charged with the murder of Ryan Poston. Her defense is that it is self-defense. The prosecution says that she killed him in a jealous rage because he was going to break up with her. Now, the final defense witness was a psychologist, and he said that Shayna Hubers suffered from PTSD as a result of the shooting, also was bipolar, and had a history of alcohol and prescription drug abuse, among other emotional problems. However, one of the very last witnesses, one of the last people that the jury heard, was a prosecution rebuttal witness. That was Ryan Poston's father. He was shown a photograph of his son's bathroom, which was taken by police right after the shooting. A very, very serious case, obviously, but that brought about a little bit of humor.
Okay, so that wasn't a typical curl. What's in that sink?
It's like a flat iron for your hair.
Okay. Whose is that?
It's my son's.
Okay. Why did he use it?
I think just to kind of get his hair to stick up straight sometimes. There was apricot scrub. I see powders. I see deodorant. Thank you, sir. And lotions.
In fact, did you used to joke about his bathroom?
I pointed to it one time when he was in there, all the array of items, and I said, "You would think I had a daughter." So yes, I would joke with him quite often about it, and he would just, he was definitely a metrosexual.
So why was something like that brought into the case? Well, in my opinion anyway, first of all, it leaves a good impression of Ryan Poston with the jury, kind of a nice guy. The other thing is, one of the issues was he really breaking up with Shayna Hubers or not? Well, that was not a woman's curling iron in the sink, according to that photograph. That was his, or some sort of hair iron. The implication being that, indeed, she was on the way out, was already gone. So I think it's a strategic and a tactical call to bring him to the witness stand right before it goes to the jury. Live in Newport, Jeff Hirsch, Local 12 News.
All right, Jeff, thank you. Tomorrow, each side makes its closing arguments to the jury. Judge Fred Stein will then instruct jurors about the law. The judge says it's likely that deliberations will begin tomorrow, but possibly not. Local 12 News, of course, will continue to bring you the latest information on the trial, both on the air and on local12.com.